Let's dip into our Modern Renaissance. Let's dip into our Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to be taking this shade right here, which is the burnt orange. I'm just going to use this one as a transition color. So then I'm going to be picking up a brush, a detailing brush. I'm going to go in with that Love Letter shade right here, this purple one. I really want to put that into the crease and just blend out. So now I'm going to grab my Tarte Shape Tape. Boom. Alright guys, so then now I'm going to go ahead and really cut the crease, guys. You guys have seen this millions of times, so I'm going to go through it really fast. I cut it. Boom, bitch. So then now I'm going to go in with that Love Letter shade. I just love this shade from the Modern Renaissance palette. Going in on the outer corner, really making that blend into the cream color on my lid. We're going in with some white liner. So you guys, this liner is from Inglot. It's in the white shade. I really love Inglot's liners just because they are super pigmented, and you guys, they will not budge and move at all. So I'm just going ahead and drawing the liner and just mapping it out, and then I will go in with the second coat of it, just because sometimes the color that is underneath will transfer onto the liner, and I don't want that. Guys, those are the wings on just like that. So now I'm going in with that Love Letter shade and really patting that onto the front of the liner while it's a little tacky still. And I want to feather it in. I'm keeping the darkness into the inner corner and start with lighter pressure once I get to the middle of the liner. And that's how I got the ombre, you guys. That's just that. It was that easy. I can't believe how easy it was. So these are the Lilly Lashes and So Extra Miami. Then we're going to be going in with the Nars Saracuse foundation. This is the Natural Soft Matte. I love this, guys, because this is super full coverage and it blends out really pretty. I just love this foundation. This is one of my holy grail foundations. It is a little bit light for me, but I will go ahead and use powders to really work it into the skin. And it just looks so pretty, guys. And you guys have seen this millions of times, what I do with my foundation routine. So that's why I am speeding up the video, but I'm just really blending it and blending it and blending it. But you guys, I just love this sponge. It works so good, and it gets right into the cracks perfectly. Like, super perfect. Try out this KKW concealer again. You guys, I love this concealer so much. At first, when I got it, it was a wrong shade for me because it is really pinky. But I actually really like to use this concealer to really brighten up and correct my dark circles because it's so pinky. That's what it does. But I just love this concealer, guys. And this concealer really blends out super nice, guys. I just love it. And you guys, this is like my favorite like sponge right now. This is the Real Technique sponge. I got it at TJ Maxx, and I can't find it anywhere else. But it's so beautiful. And put it right on top. And bake the nose too. Done. So now I'm going to be going in with my powder from LA Girl. I am just going to be setting all of the other areas. Mommy, I'm going to sweep away that bakage, guys. Sweep it all away.
Alright guys, so I'm going to be taking my palette, and I'm going to be taking these palette from Morphe, and I'm going to be taking these two shades to really bronze up and contour. We're going to be going in with the KKW Beauty brightening powder for the under eyes. So we're going to go in with a little bit. And I really want to put it against my nose a little bit. Just a little bit. We don't need that much powder, guys. We really don't. Just like that. We're gonna go in with the KKW highlight. I actually liked it. It looked nice. It really did. So I'm gonna be going in with this peachy shade. Now I'm going to be going in with the clingy lip pencil from Morphe. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be going in with the ColourPop in Ultra Satin Liquid Lip. I'm going to be taking the Regine Liquid Lip. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for this look. Just wanted to do something fun. This is the Ombre liner. This is like the first time I'm ever trying it. I really actually like how it came out.
But anyway guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys love this ombre look. My first time trying it and I slayed it. But anyway guys, so I'll catch you guys on my next video. And if you guys haven't subscribed, do so. I love you guys.